I'm gonna be very honest with you. Why you not manifesting fast? Why you blocking your manifestation? Not many people talk about this. So today I'm gonna share with you why you're not manifesting fast. Why you blocking your own manifestations. So this is because most probably lack mindset or poverty mindset. So what that mean? So the thinking behind, or actually believing behind, is there is not enough. There is not enough money for everyone, for you, for your family, for everyone. You are in this scarcity, or maybe you are scared that people take your money. You do not believe in yourself. You don't believe that you can achieve more, you can have more, you can make more. You may be more competitive. You just watching what other people are doing. You're hiding as well in many ways. You don't believe that there are good women or good men out there. You do not trust yourself or trust the universe or life, that the life can provide and the life wants to give you more. And you do not believe that there is a magic and that there are miracles, that so many things are possible in our lives. And you often saying, I cannot get this, no, this is not possible, no, this is not gonna happen, no, it's good to be true. This is your language. Can you resonate with this? I'm just really curious. I want you to comment if you resonate with this, because most of us been there. I've been there myself, and that's why I'm sharing with you. I was blocking my own manifestations with this mindset, and everything started changing when I started releasing, letting go of this mindset and inviting the abundant mindset. So everything is possible. I can have it. I can have it all. Yeah? So I hope this gave you clarity, and I am super excited for your life, because you can change that. You can transform this mindset, and you can, from this moment, when you truly decide that you are ready to change, you are so done with this misery, you're so done, struggling, surviving. I promise you, this is the moment, the most important moment in your life, because when you decide to do something about this, from this moment, everything starts unfolding very fast for you in a positive way. I've seen it with many people who I've been supporting, and I saw in my life, and I still see in my life. So I am inviting you to my community, to my membership for women. It's only $28 per month. We have big discount, big now special price at this moment. It's only $7 per week. It's nothing. And in this membership, you will have access to all the workshops that I've done previously about how to open for abundance, how to have flow and ease in life, and attracting more money and working with your sensuality. And there is so many great things that will change this mindset to abundant mindset. And I promise you, your life will change. So if you're ready, just click the link below, and I will be so happy welcoming you in our membership.